channel, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by none other than Karina, who is like an icon. If you don't know, Karina is an actress from the late 1950s to the early 1960s. She was part of like the French New Wave, which is like one of my favorite styles of cinema. So this is a famous look from her. This is from A Woman is a Woman, and she actually did wear this makeup look a few times. I've seen some other photos of her from not being on set or in the movie, and she actually does wear this makeup look. Not all the time, but like occasionally. And I really like it. It's really fun. You get to play a little bit with color, which has been really popular lately. Just kind of some colored eyeshadow, which we haven't seen in a few years, so it's kind of exciting. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So if you want to see how I recreated this look, just keep on watching. So starting off with a moisturized face, we're going to be going in with foundation, and this is my go-to foundation. It's Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the matte and poreless formula. So I like to apply random dots all over my face, and then I grab a dual fiber brush and just kind of blend it out. I find that it's a lot easier and just really natural looking, so it's the way that I've been applying it lately. For concealer, I've been using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10, and I usually just apply it underneath my eyes, just kind of following the natural shape of my eye. And then from that, I just add these random lines coming from it, so it almost looks like a half sun. And then I make sure to add some in my inner corner as well as on top of my eyelids, because it's going to act almost like a primer. Then I grab a beauty sponge or beauty blender or whatever you want to use. This particular one is from Real Techniques, but I just use that to blend out my concealer and just make sure it's all even. So to set my concealer, I've been using this Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the color Transparent, and I usually add a little bit more product underneath my eyes because I don't want my concealer to move or go anywhere. And then I usually have a lot of product left over on the brush, so I end up putting that on the rest of my face as well as underneath my bangs. And the most important part, the eyeshadow. So this one is Haunting by MAC, but pretty much any teal, aqua, turquoise kind of color will do. And here I'm using a really dense eyeshadow brush, and I just applied that all over my eyelid. I want to concentrate a little bit more color on my lash line, so using the same eyeshadow and brush, I'm just going to add almost like a winged liner effect, but just using the eyeshadow, and it's going to add a little bit more emphasis on the lash line. Of course, this makeup look would not be complete without some black eyeliner, so this one is just from L'Oreal, and I quickly realized that I can't do my liquid liner when I'm looking at a viewfinder, so here's a shot of me doing it in front of the mirror. With a flat brush, I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of brown eyeshadow. This one is Brown Down by MAC, and I'm going to add that to my bottom lashes very, very gently because I want it to look almost like a shadow underneath my lashes. Then I'm going to add some mascara, and this one is Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara, my favorite, and I'm going to be adding that to my top and bottom lashes. Using that same brown eyeshadow, I know, very multi-purpose, I'm going to be using that to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm just going to grab this brow brush and I'm going to gently fill them in. I don't want to make them too perfect because it is the 1960s, so I want it to be as natural as possible. To bring in a little bit more color to the face, I'm going to be adding this bright pink blush, and this one is Dolly mixed by MAC, and I'm going to be adding that to the apples of my cheeks. To finish the look off, I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of lipstick, and this one is Stormy Pink by Revlon, and I just want to create a really thin layer of it because I'm going to be adding another lipstick on top. And last but not least, we have this lipstick by Chanel, and this is in the shade number 46, and I'm just going to be adding that on top of the other lipstick because this one's a little bit more neutral, so it's just going to calm the other color down a little bit. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials like this, kind of based on like my favorite celebrities. Obviously, Karina is like a huge inspiration of mine. I absolutely love her. So let me know what you guys think of this makeup look in the comments below. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!